Alright friends, now in this lesson we will learn how to access each character in a string one by one. So previously we used a for loop to iterate over numbers. Now we will apply same logic to the strings. So let's do it. I delete all and then I have a variable which is name. And you see my value is John. This string contains 3 characters. C-A-N. To print each character individually, we can use for loop like this. I open for loop and I can say any name for each character and I write in. So after I need to write this string name. What's my name of the variable is name. So I can be logic. So I'm writing letter for each character and then I put comma. I'm inside the for loop. I print every letter. So if I run it, what you will see? You see each letter printed one by one. Each character in the string is printed one by one. If I want to see them in the same line, what can I do? I just add and then I just put one space. I run it again. You see C and then one space. E and then one space and end at the end. Super. The for loop helps us to process every element inside a string easily. That's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.